We're now going to learn how to program drum beats into BandLab. I'm also going to show you this app called Drumbit alongside it in case BandLab is not accessible to you. They both work in a very similar way, so both rules apply to both platforms. In BandLab, I am noticing that occasionally, especially when I go between different windows, it does things like this. These lines aren't really meant to appear, especially as I hover over things. I found a way to get rid of these. It's a bit glitchy, but if you click on these different tabs at the bottom here, can you see it? It gets a lot better very quickly. Really, we want it completely clear, so let's keep clicking. There we go. So that's how we want to see it. So if you ever get to that point where you're seeing those bars, that's a really good way of getting around that. Now, for this drum programming guide, I'm going to walk through exactly the same way as I map out the instructions on the worksheet that you can also download alongside this tutorial. So the basic drum beat we're going to start building is this one here. I'll just hit play now.